I'm happy to share here, for the first time, we're creating a new show for the Tree of Life based on Zootopia. Our current concept is filled with humor and action, taking you into the different biomes you see in the film and some you have yet to see yet. We'll meet Judy Hopps, Nick Wilde, and my favorite, a fantastic Flowhauser animatronic. It's going to be great.
Well, I get to play with you guys all the time on this, and I've loved what I've seen so far. I think you guys are going to love it. But if Zootopia is going to Tree of Life, why don't you share what the team's now thinking about for the future of Dinoland USA?
Okay. Well, as you know, we've had Africa and Asia-inspired areas since the park opened 25 years ago. And we've done a lot to enhance both of those through the years. But we thought, big picture, where else could we take our guests? We're looking at reimagining Dinoland into something completely new. We're focusing on a region of the world sometimes referred to as the tropical Americas. This is the area around the equator here in the Western Hemisphere, basically the northern part of South America stretching up into Central America.
And we've been talking about how well this part of the world fits into Animal Kingdom, right?
Yeah, well, these are the most biodiverse areas on the planet, places people travel for adventure, exploration, discovery. It's a great fit.
So you know this already. I love where this is heading. How do you see this region meshing into the rest of the park?
Well, we're imagining a land filled with authentic experiences from this part of the world, with all of the placemaking and storytelling you'd expect. Look, it's a beautiful region to explore and has been the inspiration for so many magical stories over the years. We're looking forward to bringing all of that to life at Animal Kingdom.
Okay, so any specific stories that you have?
You know, we can.
Hey! What are you doing? We're not supposed to be talking about that right now.
Sorry. It won't happen again, Josh.
They're bad.
They are bad.
Well, they're good. Well, what I can talk about is how we're diving deep into our research, and honestly, we couldn't be more excited about bringing this to life.
Yeah, I imagine that you're probably doing a lot of work on casinos, maybe things like that. Well, I know every time that we've met with the team, the concepts, they just keep getting better and better.
It's supposed to be a secret, Josh.
You just want to do the whole show? I mean,
It happened again. I'm so sorry.
it happened again.
This is how we're going to start pitching ideas.
Yeah, I guess so.
Name that too. Well, honestly, Josh, as you know, we are whipping up some new ideas.
All right, well, I know we're having some fun up here with all of you, but this is really important work for us and obviously for all of you because we are building on what makes Animal Kingdom so special.
Yeah, it is a special park. In fact, this is where we celebrate the value of our natural world and our connection to animals, and then go out and seek amazing adventures.
Yep, and so I know we're searching for ways to extend the overall story of Animal Kingdom. Encanto and Indiana Jones are two of the most popular stories that we've ever told. Doesn't it feel like a natural fit for this park?
It does. You know, it all starts with the foundation of the tropical Americas region. And as we've been talking about stories from this part of the world, Encanto and Indiana Jones just rose to the top. They give us so much to play with. We have a long way to go now, and a lot more to discover. But our team here in Florida is all over it.
Okay, well, that all sounds great, and I know this is part of a much broader plan that we have for all of our destinations.